A Microsoft-branded Android phone could be on the way. According to a Microsoft employee, Microsoft is pretty much out of the telephone amusement now, however it could be intending to influence a rebound. As per a Microsoft store worker, it's taking a shot at another handset. The data was imparted to Windows latest in a progression of messages in which the operator, who needed to stay mysterious, said particularly that Microsoft is taking a shot at another line of telephones which will be fueled by Android. Furthermore, when asked particularly whether these telephones would be Microsoft-marked, the specialist said that they would, so this surely sounds a considerable measure like Microsoft will make its own telephone that runs Android. However, the operator couldn't give any more data on it or on when we may see it. You can see key parts of the trait underneath. Try not to depend on it. Be that as it may, we'd take the majority of this with an immense squeeze of salt, as we're not persuaded a client benefit specialist would have this sort of inside data except if the dispatch was approaching, and in the event that it was, this most likely wouldn't be the principal we're catching wind of it. It's likewise conceivable that the operator got befuddled and was discussing Microsoft offering another organization's Android telephone on its store, maybe with some Microsoft programming packaged in, as it has done before. All things considered, it's certainly feasible that this data is precise. All things considered, Microsoft has for quite some time been supposed to chip away at a Surface phone, and keeping in mind that it was expected this would run some form of Windows, Android may bode well regarding getting deals. Or then again, this could be something totally disconnected to the Surface phone. The truth will surface eventually.